I see a lot of content creators out here telling people when to plant their seeds. They go by a calendar. They even offer the calendar for you to purchase online, or maybe even for free. Or they'll just literally tell you. They will say something like, hey, August through September is the perfect time to seed your grass. However, the perfect time is when the soil temperatures are between 77 and 60 degrees. That's what they're saying, but they're saying 77 for the high and 60 degrees for the low. So even though my soil may be reading 77 degrees, but it probably got as high as 90 degrees for today because it's still 95 to 100 degrees outside. So that leads me to say that the best time to do this is when those temperature ranges are in your area. Check out this fall pattern color. This is exactly what's going on in your lawn. All the different times that the environment is changing around you varies from state to state, from region to region. So giving information based off a time frame is incorrect. As you can see here from this chart, this is basically a temperature variation. So the fact that I'm just now putting turf type tall fescue down in my area in October, it may be a little bit too late in other areas because the frost is probably coming pretty quick. But in order for me to get the seeds to germinate, putting it down any earlier just would not happen. That's why I have to do a pre-germination. So be careful when you have a calendar and you're trying to stick by that, because it's not about the calendar, it's about Mother Nature and whatever she dictates for that giving year, month, or week.